Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I created this cat makeup Halloween look. Very easy. So let's get started. First, I am using Bobbi Brown's Longwear brow pencil to fill in my brows on each side. Then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Concealer, Fox Filter Concealer to conceal right underneath those brows. And then I'm going to blend it out with my flat concealer brush by MAC. Next, I'm going in with this NARS matte concealer to conceal the eyes before I apply the eyeshadow. And I'm going to go in with that beauty blender to press in that concealer. Next, I am going in with the Warrior by Juvia's Palace eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using 3 different colors within that palette. Next, I'm going in with my Longwear eye pencil by Huda Beauty to give a cat winged eyeliner. Next, I'm going in with my Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown to moisturize and prime my face before I apply the foundation by Born This Way Too Faced. And I'm taking my beauty blender to blend it all out. Next, I am going back in with the Huda Beauty Concealer to conceal underneath my eyes and the center of my nose. And next I'm going to take my beauty blender again and blend it out. Next, I'm going to go back into the Warrior Juvia's palette, and I'm going to use that same eyeshadow that I used on my eyelid to contour down my nose. just a